Hi, my name is Ram, and I've been trading for almost 2 to 3 years. It was more of averaging out. I used to make profits and sometimes losses, and but it was always never that I could know that trade can give me regular money. I did not have that confidence. When I came to know about this course from Arthya, I was really not sure. The price was very less, and I did not know that I could learn a lot many things here. But when I came here after 2 days of the training, now I'm very clear that where I was making mistakes. And I know like where I was going on losses, and I was doing everything in ad hoc basis. Getting information from bits and pieces from everywhere. Now I'm very confident that where I have to trade and where I have to not trade and where I have to enter and where I have to exit. So this is very useful. There are a lot of information, but very simply thought. The way it is taught also by Hiren sir is really good. Thank you for that. And now I think I'm a more confident trader than what I was before. Thank you, sir.